how to say your own damn name. I ain't seen that shit a day in my life, nigga.
Yeah, because you're unknown. I don't talk to unknowns. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time on your fucking sorry ass. It's no joke. You guys are a joke, for real. Why am I wasting my time? Can someone tell me that?
Why am I wasting my time? Shut your dumb ass up, nigga. You ain't known. Your name is Remix. Ain't no nigga named Remix known, nigga.
Yeah? Alright. Go up to any fam and ask if they know me. Any fam.
Any fam.
Yeah.
Let me think. Any fam. First of all, I don't fuck with fans like that, because that shit is pointless. Seeing how your dumb ass is in one, seems like you need niggas to fight your battles for you. Right?
Nah, actually, I don't tell anyone in to fight my battles. I fight my own battles. Unlike you. You guys got these 3 fucking weasels in here. Oh, never mind, 2 people. So there's a tranny ass bitch that has a girl account and a guy account. What a shit. And then you have a fucking... You're not badass at all. You're not badass at all. You did stupid ass. All you do is make yourself...
You got my life down. Nigga, we just the same. What is
that fucking bare head on your shit. What the fuck's your problem?
This nigga mad at you because I put a bare head on my avatar. Wow, you must be a style movie.
Wow, dude. This nigga's mad because I put a bare head on my avatar. Wow, dude. You fucking retarded, dude.
Oh, all that hostility in your voice. Why you so mad, nigga?
Yes, definitely. I was just repeating what you said. Hostility in my voice. I was repeating what you said. You're fucking retarded, dude. I don't know if you know what you're talking about or what.
But you so dumb, but you didn't mic up. That don't make no sense. But you don't mic up. What kind of sense does that make?
Look at that. That YouTube account is unknown. No one knows that. No one knows that YouTube does.
Nigga, just
yeah? Alright, tell me who does. Tell me who's known that knows that YouTube account. No one does.
You are in,
thank you.
7G, nigga. Brick set, nigga. Everyone knows me, nigga. I ain't heard your name not one time. I never heard folks like, oh, that nigga Remix is a bad nigga on home. I ain't heard that shit not once. I ain't heard you not
alright,
once.
because when people say they're gonna record, I go in the group and I fuck them up. That's why they don't post shit on me. You're fucking retarded if you think you're gonna post this.
Your voice is so tough.
Because you're not saying anything sophisticated, you fucking dumbass bitch. You can't say anything to roast me.
Dumb nigga. Nigga, who said anything about roasting?
I'm a dumb nigga, but I'm white. Thank you.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry, Honky. Fucking,
Honky? Are you fucking
retarded? I ain't got no real words for y'all. If I called you a cracker, you would have said salt thing, nigga. I'm gonna call you a nigga.
Yeah,
nigga is the word of ignorance.
Do it. Calm down. That's alright with me. Fucking sorry ass bitch, nigga. You're fucking unknown. Get the fuck out of here. No one's here. Let's go up to any fam, and let's see if they know you, alright?
Are you serious, nigga? Any fam? I just named all the fams that know me, nigga.
We named like 4. Oh, damn.
Nigga, I have 4 fams that know me. If you...
Didn't even name you already.
I named you already.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. But you didn't.
You know about CXcitEv, niggas don't even matter.
Yeah, that's why CSK is up there in the fucking biggest fucking fans and shit. Are you retarded?
Yeah, but they ain't known for shit though. They just known for having members. When have they ever went to that
weird.
down?
no one knows you.
Oh my goodness, you still saying no one knows me? Nigga, change your subject. Say something else. Say something.
No one does know you. Why would I change the subject if you know I'm right?
Nigga, this nigga said he gonna get in the group and shut us down. This nigga said shit to make no one stop talking. Shut the fuck up, nigga.
And you haven't said anything either, nigga. You fucking dumb as fuck. You think you're coming all up in this fucking club, gonna start shit? Nigga, you're fucking retarded, nigga. I wish to stand in front of your fucking avatars and you flip the fuck out because you think this is real life. You're gonna take a picture of your fucking bare heads and shit, nigga. You fucking retarded. God damn, you fucking need to go back to school, nigga. You need to cuddle back up with that fucking teddy bear and shit and stop putting the fucking head on your fucking avatar. You fucking taking pictures of your fucking avatars and shit. I walk up in front of you and you get all fucking pissed off because I'm standing there. You're fucking dumb.
You ain't talking shit down, nigga. I'm still standing tall, nigga. You ain't saying shit, nigga.
You're still standing off because you're not gonna be sitting on the ground, nigga, unless you fucking sat on the ground. Are you retarded, dude? Tell me. Tell me the truth. Are you a mentally retarded man? Can you tell me? Tell me the truth, dude.
Yo, my nigga, you ain't did shit. What is you gonna do, my nigga? You came here to shut it down and everyone's still talking. What are you doing?
Yo, I can't wait to see this on YouTube, yo. I can't wait, dude. Because you haven't said anything. Nah. This bitch right here says they're putting it on YouTube. So I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, nigga. Number 36.
And then I'll get that YouTube, hey, I'll get that YouTube famous, alright? I'll get that shit famous.
Oh, he's willing to help us. That's so sweet, my nigga. Oh, yo, you can have me, nigga. We can do things together, nigga.
Don't add unknown faggots. Nigga, get the fuck out of here.
Oh, look, you still are unknown shit. Look at you. You don't know what to say.
Yep.
Yo, can you shut me down, though, so I can stop talking? Because I'm so talking so I get shut down.
Can you
I've been waiting to
even
get shut
talk
down.
shit?
Really
All you say is nigga. You're fucking retarded, dude. That's all you say.
I'm just saying nigga because I like to
I don't give a fuck if you say nigga, because I say that shit. I don't give a fuck.
If you don't care, why did you bring it?
Why you want me to keep saying that shit so much, though? Can you tell me that?
That nigga don't care, but he don't
Oh yeah, dog. YouTube's gonna see the friend request that you sent. Thank you very much.
Aw, he's so mad. I wanna be an internet sub too.
I don't think I'm mad. I really don't think that I'm mad. At 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm pretty damn sure I'm not mad.
Yo, how much is real by? Just the whole CSK fan, but no one else?
Yo, how much is remix known by? Nigga, get your fucking stuttering ass out of here.
Known by? How much is remix known by, bro? That's all I wanna, cause I can't call
I don't think known by. You're fucking retarded, dude.
Bro, how much is remix known, bro?
Oh, bro. You fucking dumb. How many times do you have to fucking say that shit, nigga? I'm right here. Fucking keep talking, you sorry ass bitch.
Bro.
Repeat what you said. Thank you.
Why are you yelling at me, bro? You gonna tell me how?
That sounded like a tranny. This is no girl. This is a fucking tranny. This is not a girl, yo. For real.
Is you gonna answer my question, bro? Bro, are you gonna answer me?
Bro. Tell me.
Oh, bro, you don't want to know.
Oh, wow, there it goes again. Nigga, I can't even fucking understand you when you fucking say that shit so fucking soft.
Hold up, you can't understand me, but you're just repeating everything I just said.
All I hear you saying is bro. That's all I hear you saying.
That's what I'm saying there, right?
Fucking dumbass motherfucking bitch, nigga. You're fucking bitch made, nigga.
Yo, you gonna tell me who else knows you? Cause right now you said CSK, but obviously
Who else?
you're not really known yet.
Every big ass fucking fan knows me.
Every
fan knows me.
Name all the big ass fans. Name them, nigga. Name them.
Alright. URN, UBN, UGN, UMCO, UBN, Fame, TRM. Nigga, I can go on and go on, nigga. I don't have to fucking name all of them, nigga. You can go up and ask them yourself. You know Remix, and they'll be like, yeah, nigga, for sure. They know me way more than they know this thug-ass bitch.
You not know more than
Yeah, I'm serious, nigga.
I'm being dead on you right now. I'm not even playing on
So is thug known because are they known because they fam hop? Is that why they're known, or what?
No, it's just one thing. Yo, what up, God? We have a team section here.
No, my own leader, one person. One person. Good job. You want a round of applause? Yes.
Aww.
Isn't that cute? Artist knows you. That doesn't mean everyone knows you. And she just said one person knows you. Just because artist knows you doesn't mean everyone knows you. Are you fucking dumb?
Yo, so you know about all these big fans, you know the leaders of all the big fans, all these fans, you know, I know every leader.
Alright. Let's go to a random, you pick the place. If there's a fam there, we'll ask them if they know me. And they'll be like, yeah.
They gonna look at your name like, what the fuck, nigga, Remix